coming to lie on your mat, and then bring the soles of your feet together as if coming into prayer position. Allow your knees to gently fall out to the sides. Take a moment to arrive, feeling the back body supported by the ground. You may place your hands on your belly or by your sides, and if it feels good for you, you could take your arms overhead, perhaps holding opposite elbows. Let the shoulders feel heavy, the chest soft. There's no need to force any particular shape, just allowing the legs to be supported by the hips. And if you notice any resistance here, see if you can work with that rather than against it. Bring your awareness to the hips, the inner thighs, the lower belly, noticing any sensation without needing to change it. The breath moves gently through the body, each inhale creating a sense of space, each exhale inviting a softening. If your knees feel unsupported, you can always place cushions or blocks underneath them, allowing the body to feel supported and held. Stay here for a few steady breaths, just allowing the posture to settle. The body opens up in its own natural way. And when you're ready, slowly bring the knees back together and take a moment to notice how that feels.